Since we're all so happy and in love, we should go on a double date tonight.
A couple's night out? Then make it a triple date. Starfire and I will be there too. All this romantic tension. Will we fall in love? Won't we?
We will not.
Nobody knows.
And I'll be the third wheel, baby. Man, I love being the third wheel. Tagging along, being awkward, getting in the way of true romance.
Hey, I am warning you, third wheel. Do not get between Star and me.
Woo! Can something get between your bad breath and my nostrils?
Ha! Psh! You were telling me to get over Tara, and you still want to do the smoochies with fish face. Blah!
Well, maybe I made a mistake dumping him.
Well, I'm glad you did, though, because I got a date out of it.
It's a fake date. We're just trying to make them jealous.
Ooh, that's dirty. I like your style, Mama. Come here.
Candlelight, cloth napkins, multiple forks. The setting is so romantic. Wouldn't you say, Star?
Indeed. That is why we should sit at the table with Cyborg.
Hey! Over here! I got a booth!
Your makeup looks great today.
yeah,
Really?
thanks.
You're a beautiful young lady.
Wow, you, look nice.
And I am enjoying the color of your cloak.
Nails.
Or,
Uh-huh.
wow, look at your
hair.
feet. They're so cute.
You're so hairy.
Oh, I love your eyes.
Thank you.